It doesn't take a rocket scientist to know that an internet connection is a wonderful thing. If you have a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, then you know all about the amazing benefits of being connected. So what is the Internet of Things? The Internet of Things, or IoT for short, refers to taking all the things in the world beyond our computers and smartphones and connecting them to the Internet. There are about as many IoT applications as there are stars in the Milky Way, and includes everything from security cameras, appliances, and health devices to a lab at NASA. These connected things are used to collect and transmit data, which has a lot of benefits. It gives people and businesses more control and insight over these products and environments. But the cost of this convenience is your data. Sure, you probably wouldn't care if a hacker saw that pint of Ben & Jerry's in your smart refrigerator, unless you were cheating on your diet. But that smart refrigerator is also a gateway to your network and all of your data. What's even more frightening is once a hacker is on your network, they can shut it down and demand a ransom to get your system working again. So what can you do to protect yourself from being hacked? Consider your wireless router the front door to your Internet of Things. Give your router a new name. Know the types of data your devices collect and how it's stored and protected. Use a VPN. This will help secure the data transmitted on your network. Check regularly for device firmware updates. Use caution when it comes to social sharing features. These app features can expose your location and let criminals know when you're not home. Never leave your smartphone unattended in public, and turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if you don't need them. There's no doubt that IoT devices can make our lives more convenient and sometimes happier. But for a truly cosmic experience, you'll want to follow these steps to keep your network safe from those cyber criminals.
Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.